Welcome. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allow your hands to rest naturally. Gently close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose. And exhale softly through your mouth. Again, breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Fill your lungs with fresh air and release everything you've been carrying today. Allow your shoulders to relax. Soften your jaw. Relax your forehead. There is nowhere you need to be. Nothing you need to achieve. For the next few minutes, this time belongs only to you. Now, imagine yourself standing high in the mountains of Tibet. The air is crisp, pure, and wonderfully fresh. Around you rise majestic snow-covered peaks that seem to touch the endless blue sky. The morning sun is just beginning to illuminate the mountains with soft golden light. Everything is peaceful. Everything is still. Take a slow breath in and imagine breathing in the cool mountain air. As you breathe out, allow any tension to drift away. In front of you is a narrow stone path. It winds gently through the mountains. With every step you take, you feel lighter, more present, more at peace. Prayer flags flutter softly in the distance. Their colors dance gently in the mountain breeze. You hear nothing loud, only the whisper of the wind, the distant call of birds, and the quiet rhythm of your own breathing. Allow these sounds to become part of your meditation. Nothing disturbs this place. Nothing asks anything of you. Bring your attention now to your breath. Notice the cool sensation as the air enters your nose. Notice the gentle warmth as it leaves. There is no need to control your breathing. Simply observe it. Wind out, like the mountains themselves. Your breath is steady, strong, patient. As you continue walking, you arrive at a quiet overlook. Before you stretches an endless valley. Clouds drift slowly below you. The world feels calm from here. The mountains remind you that true strength is quiet. They have stood here for thousands of years. Through storms, through snow, through sunshine, yet they remain peaceful, stable, unshaken. Imagine that same quiet strength growing inside you. With every breath, you become more grounded, more centered, more calm. Now imagine a warm golden light appearing above the highest mountain peak. The light is soft, gentle, comforting. It slowly flows toward you, surrounding your body. Feel it touching your face, your shoulders, your chest, your arms, your hands, your legs, your feet. This light carries only peace, only kindness, only calm. Breathe it in. Allow it to fill every part of your body. If thoughts appear, simply notice them. Imagine each thought becoming a small cloud. The mountain breeze carries each cloud gently across the sky. You watch them pass, without judgment, without resistance. Eventually, the sky becomes clear once again. And beneath that clear sky, your mind becomes quiet. Take a deeper breath now. Feel the earth beneath you. Feel the mountains surrounding you. Feel the endless sky above you. In this moment, you are completely safe, completely supported, exactly where you need to be. Rest here for a few peaceful breaths. Now it's time to gently return. Take a deeper breath in and slowly let it go. Bring your awareness back to your body. Notice the surface supporting you. Notice the sounds around you. Gently move your fingers. Move your toes. Roll your shoulders if you'd like. Take one final deep breath, filling your lungs with fresh, peaceful energy. And as you exhale, slowly open your eyes. Carry the calm of these ancient mountains with you throughout your day. Remember, just like the mountains, your peace is always within you. Thank you for meditating with me. Namaste. Subscribe to take more meditations.